pixels.cool.
Welcome to you and welcome to this 6th explainer in the series Beginning AI with WordPress and AI Engine. In this explainer we'll make use of the paid version of the AI Engine WordPress plugin to make our chatbot content aware so it can discuss the information on our Arcade Fest pages with our visitors. I've already installed the paid version of AI Engine. To do this you'll need to purchase a Pro license and follow their installation instructions. I used AI Engine earlier in this series to improve the content on the arcade history page. Now I'll create a new content-aware bot specifically for this page so it can discuss the information with anyone stopping by. I've created a new bot in the usual way and called it AwareBot1. I'll let my visitors know this bot can discuss the information on the page with them. The main new setting to change is here in the AI settings section. Switch on Content Aware. Notice this warning telling us that the context field for this bot must include the content placeholder for it to work. The placeholder will be replaced with the entire text content of the page when the request is sent to the AI model so the bot can answer questions about it. So go back to the main settings section and add a content placeholder to the context field. Make sure you're using the curly brackets. If you've done this correctly, the red warning in the AI settings section is now gone. Let's test our content aware bot. I'll add the new bot to the page by copying the shortcode and pasting it into the page content in edit mode as before. And let's see what happens. I'll ask it to summarize the content on the page in 3 sentences. Not bad, it can clearly see the content. Next, I'll ask it to list the names of any arcade games mentioned on the page. There you go. And next, what makes these games so memorable? This is a good test as I can see my bot has used the actual information from the page to provide an answer in its own words. And finally, how about a quick translation? These are just fun examples showing how powerful this feature is for sites with individual pages that visitors or customers may have questions about. You can keep track of your visitors' interactions with your bots from the Discussions tab here in AI Engine. At this point you might be thinking, hang on, if this works, why can't I just have a bot that sees my entire website so it can discuss our company and its range of products and services? That isn't as easy as you might think. What AI Engine has actually done is add all the text content of the page to the context field and send this over to OpenAI to return accurate results. However, AI models only accept a limited amount of context information in a single request. For information about tokens and token limits, see the OpenAI website. There is some good news. In the next explainer, we'll learn to get around this limitation by creating embeddings based on the questions we think our visitors will have. We'll be using Pinecone for our embeddings database. Get yourself a free account here and see you in the next explainer.
pixels.cool.